very close to National Congress MP Ladakh, and you have also garnered in Kashmir. So what is your view on the crisis in Ladakh as well?
No, I think the crisis is extremely unfortunate. The people of Ladakh have been pushed to the wall. Promises have been made to them that have not been kept. And unfortunately, this seems to be a practice, particularly with the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir. Promises are made and then promises are broken. Ladakh was promised 6th schedule. Now, either they knew they can't give 6th schedule and they still made the promise, in which case they shouldn't have done it. Having promised 6th schedule, why aren't you implementing it? It's similar to our case. You promised us statehood. You're not giving us statehood. Is the attempt now to push Jammu and Kashmir to the wall also? Is that what you're saying? That they're not happy with the situation being peaceful here? They're not happy with the fact that this demand is only being made in a democratic and constitutional manner. The fact is that both Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir were promised something significant. All we want is those promises kept. The promise made to Ladakh should be kept, and the promise made to Jammu and Kashmir should be kept.